Hello YouTube. It's harmful when experts advise against drinking tea. It turns out that you cannot always drink tea. Health food experts advise against drinking tea immediately after a meal because it is unhealthy. Healthy nutrition experts do not advise drinking such a favorite drink by many as tea immediately after a meal. And all because it contains caffeine, which interferes with the absorption of iron in the body. It is noted that everything here depends on many factors, in particular, the quantity and quality of tea that is drunk after eating, as well as the time elapsed from consumption. In order not to harm your body, you should wait at least 40 minutes and only after that brew yourself a cup of aromatic drink. You should also pay attention to the health of a particular person. It should be remembered that it is better not to mix tea with food. Therefore, separate the main food and tea drinking. Even if you really like to drink sandwiches with your favorite drink. How much tea can you drink per day? What dose is considered safe for human health? If you do not have chronic diseases, you can drink up to 400 milliliters of tea per day. Experts advise doing this in the morning. In the case when a person has kidney failure, high uric acid or urolithiasis, it is better to drink less tea. But tea bags do not bring any benefit to the human body. Therefore, it is better to replace it with a sheet. After all, it helps to slow down the aging process, restores the normal functioning of the gastrointestinal tract, has an antibacterial effect and strengthens the protective functions of the body. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.